Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Monday 16th of the August 2021. The new trading week begins now, and I think we should take a look at the Forex calendar here. So what do we have in the calendar? Some data had been published already. Mostly those data were from China. As you can see, fixed asset investment, industrial production, retail sales, and unemployment rate. All of this data were published 4 o'clock in the night. It's worth to mention that a fixed asset investment is falling from 12.6% to 10.3%, and the industrial production is falling from 8.3% to 6.4%, which is not very good. Retail sales dropped from 12.1 to 8.5%, and only the unemployment rate is better than expected, which is worse, by the way, from 5% to 5.1%. So we have a slight jump in unemployment rate in China. The rest of the day is as follows. During the London session, we got industrial production already published, 6.5% from Japan, and Bundesbank monthly report from Germany. During the New York session, we have manufacturing shipments and wholesale sales from Canada, and the New York Fed Empire State Manufacturing Index data. Those are scheduled at 2:30. So not too many data in the beginning of the new week, but I think there was some kind of a movement during the night because of the Chinese data. So let's take a look first on the Australian dollar to see what is going on there. So the Australian dollar keeps continuing the consolidation. And as you can see, the consolidation is between apparently two levels now, 7,318 and 7,415. So this is the consolidation zone, and the price is going up and down, up and down. Nothing new has happened because of the Chinese data. We have a slight up move. In Friday close was high, about the level of 7,382. Today we already have a down day with the lowest level at 7,332. So no major breakout on Australian dollar, no major movement due to the Chinese data. We are still in the consolidation. In order to make this chart a little bit more bullish, we need to break above 7,415 to the upside, or we can continue the move to the downside if we break first below, of course, 7,318 and then below 7,291. The next target for bears is located at 7,244. So maybe gold has moved due to the Chinese data. So what do we have here? We have a big bounce in gold. We have a big bounce in gold from the level of 1,684, which is a little bit below the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement. We already retraced plenty of a move down. Today we are trading close to the Friday highs, around the level of 1,777. Local high is 1,782, which is new local high as well. But where we are heading towards 1,791, this is the next technical resistance. Please keep an eye on this level because it's very close to this short-term trend line. So as long as we trade below this trend line, there is still a chance that this up move will retrace. I mean, it will go back to the towards the 1,760, 1,750 levels and below. If we break above 1,791, the technical resistance, and if we break above the blue line, then of course we have almost completed reversal of this last spike down, and we will be heading towards 1,833, which is kind of a high from the July 2021. And of course, that would mean as well that we are trading above this short-term trend line, which means bearish pressure is invalidated, and now we are heading much higher than the trend line resistance. So that's about gold. What is going on with euro dollar? Let's take a look at the majors after the weekend. What is going on here? We have a bounce. We have a significant bounce because this level 1.1703 very close to important key long-term technical support 1.17, so that's only 3 pips away, has been tested and the price bounced. We have a breakout above 1.1752. Now we are testing the old trend line. As you can see here, this is the trend line from, I think it might be even last year. Yes, this is the trend line from November last year, and as you can see, we broke below it, and now we are testing it after this massive jump in volatility recently. So this last Friday green candle, we are trading close to this to the highs of the Friday, 1.1790, 1.80. 18, and if we break of course higher, then I think it's worth to make this line a little bit longer, because it works and market recognize it. And of course the upper channel line, I think we should make it a little bit longer. Well, this is still the key technical resistance, 1.1952, 1.1993, where the blue arrow is. But please remember, if we have a different reaction on the lower channel line, what is the different reaction? Of course, the bullish reaction. If we break above this channel line, then of course next target is 1.1908, and then of course this technical resistance, at least it's lower level 1.1952. But if there is a failure here, just here where the trend line is, then of course we have only a test. Then price will definitely go lower. We will break below 1.1703, break below the technical support, and then, as you can see, we will be making new lows, new this year lows, of course, and the market might even go towards 1.1604. This is the level, which is the lowest level of the euro in since 2020. So please keep an eye on the current price action. We don't need it anymore, because we are in a very interesting place right now. Very interesting place. So we need to see what will be the answer from the bearish side of the market. Will they have the strength to continue the move down towards, of course, yearly lows and then 2020 lows? And if it is so, then the drop might be even bigger and deeper than 1.1604. We might easily go below this level. So what is going on Bitcoin at the beginning of the trading week? So what do we have here? We have test and breakout of the key technical resistance. So that low from 26th of the April had been violated. So the local high was made at $48,043, and maybe even today the $48,043. This is the high, and it looks like, please notice that it looks like we are very tired of this move up. I mean bulls. So I think there should be some sort of pullback, and the pullback shouldn't be bigger than 12%. I think we should go as low as 43% and then bounce and head towards 50%. That's the first target, but I think we should go towards $53,000 next, and then 57, 58, $59,486. So it looks like this move up has not been finished yet, Any pullback lower than 12.43% is just a pullback or inside correction, and when it's completed we should be looking higher for higher prices on Bitcoin and higher levels. $50,000 is the first one, $53,000 is the second one, 59,000 and a half basically is the third target for Bitcoin bulls. So that's my outlook for the Monday. So thank you very much for watching it, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.